Practice Arabic learning easily through short stories. Here is how Arabic Short Stories app will teach you Arabic fast. With professional Arabic lessons designed as stories, easy and entertaining authentic short stories to help you learn conversational expressions and improve your speaking ability. The grammar is learned naturally in a stress-free way. Rich vocabulary with illustrations. Those are easy to memorize. Perfect pronunciation. No effort made. No hard work to learn Arabic. The app provides text to download, exercises, and corrections to track and measure your progress. The most fun and enjoyable way is to learn through short stories. Your motivation is unleashed, your whole brain is engaged, and you will learn 10 times more than just speaking. Start building your understanding and awareness of Arabic language. Arabic Short Stories app will give you all you need in one place. Download the app today.